Yo, how we doing, y'all? How we doing? Today we are back at it again with the web development. Um, uh, Let me know if the audio's weird, video's weird. Should be good, but I'm just checking. Yeah. Cool. And I've been wearing this hoodie for like the past couple of videos, but like it's so comfortable. So let me turn this down. But yeah, today we are again back at it with the web development. I can show you guys my beautiful screen and show you that this is what we're working on. Yeah, this is the website so far. So it has cool looking title. Let me make my face go to the bottom. There you go. So this is the website so far. We have, the nav bar. I want to make the nav bar kind of in the center just to have it be a little bit more symmetrical, or I'll add more pages if I feel like it. Then we have the HackerSpace logo in the center, which is pretty cool. And then it says, "Hey Hacker," kind of gives you some information about the website. This is a documentation page for Hack5. That's basically what this is. And then it says our selection, so it'll show you some of the documentation we do for some of those devices. And you can click on the device, and it'll take you to the page. I need to go back, but our partner, and then some socials at the bottom. So the homepage is looking pretty sweet. Yeah, and then I have the About Me page, I think, pretty much done. So it's the About Me, and then it says, some information about me, how I got into Cosmodium, or how I got into hacking, right? So this is like the About Me video. Then what is Cosmodium, and then our associations. So this is Darren, and then the video of us with Darren. This is John, the video of us with John, and then just some information. So last thing I might add to this page is just socials. And then once we finish with that, we can go ahead and start with the other pages. So I think that should be good. I also need to add some more information to the home page. It's looking a little bit barren. But yeah, and then of course we're going to have the pages for each tool. So USB Rubber Ducky. Obviously this is not done, but kind of give you some context of what they're going to look like. But yeah, cool. Questions, comments, concerns? Otherwise, we'll go ahead and get started. So where should I go from here? Let's go on our Replit, and I will kind of figure out where we should start. I do need to add some more. All right, let's add some socials, right? So let's go ahead and let's go on cosmodiumcs.com. Cool. And we can go ahead and see some of the socials here. Any socials I need to add onto the About Me page. Associations. Should we add socials? I think that's like kind of like a default, So Instagram, GitHub, YouTube, Discord, and Spotify. I think that's kind of like the role. Can I save the images? Save image as. Oh, really? Does that actually work? GitHub dot, what was it, WebP or something? Download. So if I click on this, all right, yeah, there you go. It's a little like iffy, Hello. What's up? How you doing? I think I need to. I might have to upload my own, because I think I have assets. Like if I go onto Kaja, then if I go onto like Shit. I forgot where my assets are. Photos. Is these the right icons? Well, those are all Cosmodium stuff. Let me go on my drive here. Assets. Okay, so I do have some stuff. Let me. Cool. So let's go ahead here, and I will drag and drop a GitHub PNG here. Do I have Instagram? I do have an Instagram PNG. And then, where are the other ones? Instagram, GitHub. Do I have a YouTube PNG? I don't have a YouTube PNG. Discord. I do have a Discord one. Discord. Thanks, I follow you, Turkey, with my brother. Oh, Turkey. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's cool. I should go over there sometime. I need to figure out. So I need Spotify and I need YouTube. So let's do Spotify PNG and YouTube PNG. So images. We should have the one with the black, shouldn't we? It'll look better on the website. And then, can we save this? Save image as Spotify logo.png. That's fine. Actually, no, just do Spotify.png. Cool. And then YouTube PNG. What's like a good? I swear I already have a YouTube thing on here. Actually, yeah, YouTube PNG. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Yeah, we don't need any of that. Cool. So let's go on to my About Me page, and we'll make our socials section. Bro. There you go. Cool. Let's scroll down here. I actually don't need this, so I'm gonna just close that. So what we're going to do is we have this H2 here. We're going to have. Hi, do you like Germany? Yeah, Germany's cool. I need to head over there too. That's cool, because I'm from like, US. I'm from like Maryland. What am I doing? So right now I'm making a website. Hack5. Let me go on Hack5. Hack5.org. So Hack5, obviously it's the penetration testing company, or they make penetration testing gear. So what I'm doing is I'm making a website called HackerSpace, and it's going to be it's basically going to be documentation for all their gear, right? So instructions on how to use it, and all that stuff. So I'm just making like a website that has instructions for these gear, like this gear and stuff. And I have 2 days left because it is due on the 19th. I have to finish this by the 19th. I've had a month to do this, and I only started like a couple days ago. So, yeah. I'm from Germany. Oh, cool. Alright, yeah, so right now I'm working on the About Me page before I start doing these ones. So right now, it just has the information, and then the last thing I need to make is a section for socials. So socials. Do you use LinkedIn? I want to connect. I have a LinkedIn. I'm not on there too often, but the best way to, if you want to like talk to me and stuff, I have a Discord server in the description if you're on Discord. Socials, and then we can literally just have our image. So let me go to the index page and literally just copy exactly what I did. So I did an href, and then perfect. This is what we're doing. We're copying this, and we're just going to paste. So I need one for GitHub. All right. Alt Shift down. Why does Alt Shift down not work? That's so weird. All right. Yes, of course. Cool. Instagram. Then we have YouTube, Spotify, I think. Is that big enough for you guys? I'll make it bigger. Can I make that bigger? Font size. Let's try large. There you go. That should be better for you guys. It's huge. No, I'll stick with large. Cool. So, what are we doing? What are we doing? What Linux am I using? I am using Parrot OS. This is my Parrot. Do I have NeoFetch? I can probably do NeoFetch. There you go, yeah. There you go. That's my Linux distribution. I'm using Parrot OS. Yeah, there you go. Any information on my Linux, that's probably what you can look at. Cool. There you go. Alright, so now we can just copy this and then just keep doing this. Nice, appreciate it. It's really customized. It's it's not like the default installation. I customized it a lot. But yeah. Are those all the links? I don't feel like that's it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need Discord. That's why I forgot. I'll have Discord right above Spotify. Discord. And then paste that. All right, cool. So our GitHub, what is our GitHub? Let's just go here, copy this link, and then we can replace this with that. And then our assets are going to be assets, and then where's github.png? Cool. So we can do github.png. There you go. What else is next? What else? Then we have assets, and then Instagram. So what's our Instagram? There. There's my Instagram. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. Cool. Let's replace this link with Instagram, and then I think this is Instagram.png. Is that right? Oh, it's just Insta.png. Cool. What is next? YouTube. Copy that. All right. So this is the YouTube section. So let's go ahead, throw that link in here, and then I think it's just YouTube.png. I like to think it's just YouTube.png. It is. All right, cool. All right. Then we have YouTube, Discord. Copy that. I just need to copy this link. All right, cool. Paste that, and then do we have a Discord.png? I think we do. It's Discord tag logo. Discord logo. Cool. All right, and then the last one is our Spotify. Cancel. Just cool. We have some cool playlists on the Spotify. It's pretty cool. What am I doing? I literally forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, links. Let's drop this in here, and then our Spotify.png. I think that's right. So if I rerun this, socials, and oh wow, okay. Oh, those are huge. That's not what I meant to do at all. Look how big that is, dude. That's not what I meant to do. Let's fix that. Oh my gosh. How do I? All right, let me go to my index. How do I do this? So I have a width of 100. All right, so for the YouTube logo, I'll copy this because this does not look right. Let's go here and then YouTube. Where's the image? And then throw this in here. All right, so if I run this, YouTube is normal size. Cool. Let me stop that. All right, Instagram. Let's see if we just throw in. Oh, it's a square image though, right? So it should be 100 by 100. So width. You know what I can do instead of doing this is just pasting this in here. Cool. So let me see. Where's the Instagram one? All right, so instead of 75, we can do 100. And if I run this, see, there you go. That's how it's supposed to look like. It's looking better. It's looking better. Discord needs to be something similar. So let's do 100. All right, there you go. So why are these like all the way at the bottom of the page? Can I just refresh? Oh, the GitHub logo is black. I need a white GitHub logo. Oh, I think I have one. If I go my Kaja, that's why I'm like, why is the page so big? It's just like this giant black GitHub logo. If I go on my assets and then images. Yeah, so let me get my current github.png. Yeah, see, there's a black image on the website that's really big, which is making the page look really big. So let's delete the GitHub, and then instead we can have this other GitHub logo. There you go. All right, so where's the GitHub? So we can do GitHub tech logo. So now if I run this, wait, hold up. Before I do that, let me throw in 100 by 100. And if we go here, rerun it, there you go. So now we have socials. Why is Spotify not working? Do I have a Spotify logo here? Oh, I never uploaded it, did I? Upload file, downloads, Spotify.png. There you go. And then throw Spotify in here. So where's Spotify? Spotify.png. All right, that should be working now. So if I rerun this, I'm going to sleep. Good night. All right, have a good night. I'll catch you later. Oh yeah, so now I have to change the size on Spotify. All right, please tell me that's better. There you go. Finally. All right, so now all we need is space between them and them to be more evenly sized. You know what I could do? Just W3 schools, social. Let me see if there's like a social media buttons. Yeah. Let me see. Excuse me. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Oh, they have it like that. Icon library, class FA Twitter. Also, href would be the link, and then FA Twitter, and then this is the CSS. Oh, let me just copy this. What the heck am I doing? Why code when you can just use someone else's? You know what I mean? Let me go on style, and then let's go. Cool. So let's see if we can. Let's see. Okay, the index styling, because this is for what? Actual website styling. So this is for the index. and then I'm going to need one for the cool. So let's comp out this. We'll say about me. You're going to sleep maybe next time. Oh, cool, man. Catch you later. The video will still be up if you ever want to watch it and such. But yeah, I will catch you later. About me, and then we just paste it in here. Cool. So what we need to do in our index or in our about me is grab this and then go into our about me. So right over the about me, I'm just going to paste this in and just see what it looks like with this. Oh, Facebook, and then, oh, that's cool. FA, Twitter, okay. I see how that works. That looks a lot better than this nonsense. But why blue? Can I change the color on that? Is that in the CSS? Like, if I go on the CSS, no, it just changes. So why is the color so weird? Hashtag FA and then FA Facebook, FA Twitter. So if I wanted to, oh, so you can change the add hover effect if you want, and then change the color of, oh, got you. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do that. I was not reading properly. Yo, just wanted to come and say hi. I'm a dip, but see you soon. I'm gonna hit you up tomorrow. All right, cool, man. I will catch you tomorrow. Hit into here. I probably picked the wrong time to stream. Everybody different right now, but so cool. Let me think. So I don't have Facebook or Twitter. So wait. So can I change the So let's we're gonna have to get rid of these socials, and then keep these socials instead. I'll just have these at the bottom of all the page. Nice beanie. Hey, appreciate it. So we'll have to add the link. So we don't have Facebook or Twitter. So if I copy this, paste this, and if I do, instead of Twitter, if I do YouTube, I wonder if they have GitHub. That would be awesome if they had GitHub. You know what I mean? So Facebook. Okay, I see. Why is that so weirdly off-center though? Maybe it's because we have the circle versions. Maybe we should use the square version. You know, let's be normal. Let's not be extra right now. Let's go ahead and throw this in here, and then if we F5, yeah, that looks better. All right, so with YouTube, we're going to need to get, actual, all right, so let's get socials we actually use, right? So let's go onto our about me, and so we have YouTube. Can we have, whoops, Control C, Control V. So can we have Spotify? We're going to need Instagram too, so we can do Instagram. Is that right? All right. right, if I run this. All right, yeah, we got Spotify, we got YouTube, we got Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, Instagram. Can we get Discord and GitHub? I'm super curious. Let's try Discord because they probably would have something like Discord. Discord. No Discord? Seriously? No Discord? Wow. Alright, let's get rid of that. Wow, no Discord. Alright, do we have GitHub? I doubt they have GitHub. They probably don't. Oh, what? They have GitHub, but they don't have Discord? That's funny. Alright, anyway. So they have GitHub, but they don't have Discord. Let me try Discord one more time. Discord. Yeah, they don't have it. Alright, that's fine. I actually do have a Twitter account, so I'll just leave the Twitter here. So let's put it in like order of what people would actually use most to least. So it would be Instagram, then it would be Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, and then GitHub. Cool. So let's get our hrefs. So for GitHub, it's right here. Let's control X and then GitHub. So let's replace this hashtag with our GitHub link. What's next? Instagram. Let's copy, or let's control X with this. And then, what's this, Instagram? There you go. And then we have our YouTube. So control X with our YouTube. And then paste that here. We don't have Discord anymore, but we have Spotify. So Shift, Control X, and then Spotify. We can paste our Spotify link in here. Cool. So we can basically just delete this. We don't actually need a socials tab or nothing. So Control Y. Control Shift. All right, cool. So if I look at this now, at the bottom we have our socials. Cool. So all we had to do was color them and we'll be good. So let's color them. Let's do, I need my Twitter account. I think my Twitter account is actually linked on my GitHub. If I do this, Twitter. I have not been on Twitter in so long, it's not even funny. Like, I thought my account got hacked for a second. Like, yeah, I need to get back on Twitter for real. I don't even understand how Twitter works. I just have it, but I don't really understand how it works. So if I go on, I sound old. I sound old for not understanding what Twitter. I'm not even that old for real. All right, cool. All right, cool. Is that good? Oh yeah, I need to style them. I bet. So, what ones do we have again? We have, what's our first one? Twitter. So yeah, we can keep Twitter. We don't have Facebook. So let's copy this whole thing. Copy. All right. So our next one was, I think, Instagram. Actually, I think Instagram came first. So let's keep this in order so that way when I'm going back to style stuff, it's not confusing. Look at me trying to stay consistent with my code. It's a new year, new me. Instagram, cool. So what we need to do is go on their color picker. Let's go on to, oh wait, it was right there. It was right there. Color picker. All right, so Instagram, what do we want for the background of Instagram? What typically is the background of Instagram? Let me duplicate this and then go back. Instagram, they have the blue and white. Oh no, man. I feel like Instagram has very much like pink vibes, or like that salmon, like a salmon orange. A salmon orange. Yeah, kind of like this, but a little bit more like orange. Yeah, kind of like that. That's a little too salmon for me, if I'm being honest, but You know what? We'll just try it, and if it doesn't look good, then it's whatever. So the background will be this hex, and then the color can be white. So if we F5, hello? What? What's going on here? About me, FA Instagram. Oh, this is using FA Twitter. Instagram. There you go. Let's try this. There you go. So now we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have, all right, now we have YouTube. YouTube is a good solid red. So let's get like a nice red. Yeah. So we'll copy this and, well, I should have copied that yet because I need to copy this first. So this will be YouTube, and then here we can do YouTube, and then now we can go over here, copy that, go back and paste. There you go. Cool. So what's next? What comes after my YouTube on the website? It's Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, and then GitHub. So this will be Spotify, and this will be GitHub. So Spotify, GitHub. Cool. And then with this is FA Tech Spotify, and then this is FA Tech GitHub. Cool. So Spotify is like a solid green, like not like a lime green, but like it's a vibrant green. You know what I mean? Like it's like a they have like a nice mint, but like a very vibrant mint. Kind of like not that. I don't feel like we're doing it the Spotify logo justice. What color is the Spotify logo? Is it? Oh, it's like this kind of green, honestly. I think that's right. So we have YouTube, then we have Spotify, which is like that. And then the GitHub. GitHub's colors are like black and white. So I guess we can give it like a purple, because I'm kind of getting like purple vibes from GitHub. What's like a nice purple? Looks like a nice purple though, like a little bit lighter, like on the lighter side of purple. Copy. All right, cool. And we can paste that in here, and if we refresh, oh, look at that. Look at that, yo. The socials, they actually look kind of sweet. Can we make the little icons ever so slightly bigger? Like, padding font size. Is that the font size that I'm thinking about? 30 pixels? Can we do like 50? Will that make it bigger? Or is that just gonna like, I honestly don't think that made any difference at all in any way, shape, or form. Text align center. Can we do like, what happens if we do like 100 just to see if it's like, that's what we're controlling? It honestly has not made a single difference. So I'm gonna take it back to whatever it was before, just so we're not messing anything up if we are doing anything important. What was that, 30 pixels before? All right, so let's do 30 px. Cool. All right, so I think we finished the about me page. We have socials, and then we have the about me. Cool. So we'll have to do fonts later, but for right now, it's looking pretty good. What's next? Ooh, man's beard look nice. Appreciate. I need to shave. I need to shave for real, but. All right, what are we thinking? All right, it's time to start working on the actual documentation pages, right? So we have the USB rubber ducky. I'm basically just going to make the USB rubber ducky page, make it look nice, and then just copy it to all the other pages, so that way it looks good across platform. That's the goal, but you know, life isn't promised. So all right, let me think. So we can close the about me, and now we can go on to the tools, rubber ducky. All right, so about me, is the title correct? So let's do about me, about me. Oh my gosh, there you go. About me. Cool. So let's start with the USB rubber ducky and just make our way down the hill of madness. So let's go ahead and we'll do a center tag, and then we'll go to our index.html, because our index is a good piece of motivation for the rest of the pages. And we'll grab our nav bar, and then we'll just paste this nav bar in here. Awesome, looks great. Device name, USB rubber ducky, then the image. So when I refresh this, everything should be centered. Great. The photo gallery, I'm just going to give up on the photo gallery. Photo galleries are so difficult. I tried them, they just don't work. So unfortunately, we're going to take them out. Instead, I'm going to replace them with, like, I don't know, I'll replace them with like the slideshow or something. So cool. And then device name, and then it has an image of the rubber ducky. So we should have like a description and then a way to buy it, right? I might need to look at my other projects. Slideshow walkthrough. Already know how to do slideshows. What are these same models? I remember what this is. Okay, this is like cancel. All right, maybe this is something helpful. So it's showing me the navigation bar. We have a video in here, and then the photo gallery. No, this is not what I need. I need I had something unnamed. Oh no. What was the thing I had? W3 walkthrough, was that it? This is the thing I just went on to, wasn't it? I had something that showed you how to like maneuver and like put like parts of the pages on different I don't know, a way to format your pages basically. Or maybe it was like CCS drills, maybe it was Desert Oasis. That's something I should look at, because or Desert Oasis, yeah, because they showed you how to do a bunch of cool stuff. Yeah. Like they have this. Wait, why does this not work? Alright, whatever. I just need to see how they do it. They have the logo, and then they have a nav bar. Is there any CSS here? Oh, they have it in a header tag. Oh, wait. Can I do that? Can I do that? Alright, let me go on the index real quick. The HS image heading. And then they have the logo. Wait, hold up. if I go here and if I do a header tag, and then let's delete the center tag, delete this center tag, and then if I do another header tag, and then we need to delete the center tags, I think. All right, and then if I go on the home page, HackerSpace goes to the left, but it's not to the right. It's not like, oh my gosh, listen, that finishing up. Yeah, I'm finishing up. I'm trying to. Because this is due on Wednesday. So I have like 2 days to finish this. So the stress is real. Alright, don't trifle about that right now. It looks good the way it does. So let's go on HackerSpace, refresh. Yeah, that's fine. We'll keep that for now. Let's start working on these. So we need to basically just copy everything from the index, right? So that, get rid of this header tag. So let's copy literally all of this. And then what we're doing is literally copying all of this. And then, so the class active needs to go on USB Rubber Ducky because that's the page we're on. So we can do this. Cool. So we can close this. Is there any helpful information in here that I don't already know? No, so we can close that. CSS drills. Styling in action. This might be helpful. I don't really know. I don't completely care either. So I'll keep that. Desert Oasis. Yo, what am I doing right now? So yeah, I can show you guys. Hack5.org. Let's go on Hack5. So this is hack5.org. They are a company that sells penetration testing gear. What I'm doing is I'm making a documentation website for all their gear. So it would be like, it's called HackerSpace, and it kind of shows you, hey, these are the different devices that they have that we have documentation on. You can click on that and it'll give you information on the device, how to use it, and all this other stuff. So yeah, that's going to be what it's basically about. And then we have the About Me page, which is about me and the creators and such, and then some socials. So the About Me page is done. The home page is pretty much done. I might add some more content into these. But yeah, basically we're just making a page with documentation for Hack5 gear. So right now we're working on the USB Rubber Ducky page, so USB Rubber Ducky / HackerSpace. Cool. So USB Rubber Ducky, and then it's going to say, it has this image here. So instead of this image, let's put a slideshow of what we have from our first page. I think that would be better. So let's go ahead and get our index. Where does our slideshow start? Slideshow container. Bash Bunny, and then cool. So then we can go to our Rubber Ducky page and then replace this image with the slideshow. So if we go onto our Rubber Ducky page, refresh, it's not working. Why is that not working? Oh my god. Slideshow. So such tools, USB Rubber Ducky. / assets. Oh, it doesn't need to be like home / assets or something, right? Can I do the tilde? Does the tilde work for links, or do I need to do the dot dot would take you out of tools, and then slash assets, right? href dot dot. Alright, I'm just hoping this works. Yeah, I definitely should have started this website earlier, but you know, it is what it is. Why does this work but this not work? Let me see. So if I go onto the slideshow container, alright, so there's this random center tag here, so we're gonna get rid of this. So this used to be rubber ducky. Oh, actually no, we do need that, don't we? Oh, but it never finishes. Yeah, so we can just have it finish like here. Slash center. Alright, so let me refresh. It's not getting the image. Why is it not getting that image? But it's getting the slash assets. And these links do work, so I don't need the dot dots. So it must be something with like the slideshow. Did I forget something? Script slides.js. Like, I think just be rubber ducking. Oh my gosh. Cool. This is so annoying, y'all. I don't like web design. So we have socials done now. We can close my website. Nothing I'm going to take from that for now. So technically all I need to do is make one page, right? And then I can just copy this page over to the other ones and then replace the data. Okay, that's all I need to do. That's all I need to do. That's all I need to do. Let's just pin this. Remember, it's a resource. So we need to find a way to display the image in a nice, easy, fashionable way. We have our slideshow and fill with images. So tools, and then if it's going to home tools, USB rubber ducky.html, which is this home page, and then it's using that image. Is this something with the CSS? Let me get rid of the photo gallery section. Yeah, so photo gallery, we're getting rid of this. So slideshow container. Slideshow container looks fine. Cool. So then if we go onto our tools, we have our slideshow container, which is this div slideshow container. USB rubber ducky. Like if I go on the home page, right, and then let's say we click on USB rubber ducky, that doesn't work. Did I forget something from the index? Should I just recopy it? Dots and circles. Alright, let's recopy this slideshow container. And let's go back here. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry. So if I look at this page, why is that not working? All right. So if the slideshow just is not working, we need to find a different way to display the image. How can we? Slash image height before you center, and then div class USB row ducky. Damn, your boy's tired. Let me close Discord. How long have I been streaming? Only 54 minutes. Alright, yo, I need to figure this out for real. Alright, I guess we'll have to worry about that later, you know. No, there has to be a way, though. Because it's in the index, so it can do /tools. But because our USB rubber ducky navbar still works, these other sections should also still work. Like, what I can do is just add the font now. So, fonts.google.com. Alright, we need like a nice solid font. I know Orbitron is my favorite font personally. So Orbitron, yeah. I don't want to download the family. I just need to. Let's go with this one. Select the style, and I think this is how you link it, right? So Control C. All right, and you had to put that in your header, right? Or your head tag. So we'll just put this. Let's test this in the index first. So we can put this link in here, and I'll just do fonts. All right, and then in our style.css, if we go into our p tag, we can have our font family. Just do this, and then this. Cool. All right, moment of truth, right? So let's go ahead, go onto our home page, and yeah, see all the text is now in Orbitron. So yeah, that looks sweet. So let's find a good header font. I guess we can keep it consistent with Orbitron, or we can try a different font. I'll just look through the other fonts, see if there's anything interesting. Otherwise, I'm just looking to see Roboto Mono. What's that one font that I use a lot of my videos? I actually used it for the HackerSpace logo. I can't remember it. Let me check out my iPad. I need to look and see what font I actually use. Let me just go here. Alright, I'm so sorry guys. I'm trying to figure this out. Add text. And then if I just type in... Oh, Death Rattle BB. Do we have that? Search fonts. Death. Whoops. Oh, they don't have Death Rattle? Dang. That's fine. Is there like a graffiti-esque font? Calligraffiti. Calligraffiti. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Alright, so if they don't have that, then I am just going to simply close that. I guess we could use Orbitron. I guess it's not that big of a deal or anything. But I'm just seeing if there's any other good header fonts like that fit that hacker-esque vibe. I guess the Roboto mono is actually kind of sweet. If we use like Orbitron for the headers and then this is the text, that would be kind of tight. But we need like a really bold one, like a select the style. Yeah. So what we're going to do is make Orbitron the headers. If I, okay, let's stop. Hold up. Dismiss. Orbitron. Let's remove all of Orbitron, and then we're going to search for Orbitron again. Fonts. Orbit. This, and then we need a little bit one that's a little bit bolder for the titles, like a solid 600 select style. Cool. So this is what we're going to link in our code now. So Control C, and then let's go to our style that or index.html and throw this for our fonts. Cool. Now that we have that, we need to go ahead and link these styles. So for our paragraphs, we need the Roboto, this one. And let me go here and replace all of our paragraphs with that. For H1s and H2s, we can just take our Orbitron copy and where's H1s, H2? Cool. So let's go ahead and refresh. Oh yeah, that's sweet. That's sweet. So we'll have to probably reformat these like borders that we have going on here. But yeah, I like that font better. Oh, we need to incorporate that into our, what font should our navbar be? I think the little other one that we have here, the Roboto. So let's copy this. Let's go to our navbar information. So website styling, navbar, how do we, navbar A, what's nav list A? Oh, that's for the links and such. And then active. Okay, I got you. So let's just do it in here and just hope that works. Why can't we change the font of our navbar? There you go. That looks sweet. That looks sweet. That looks sweet. All right, so now we have a cool solid font for our navbar. Why are these in two different sections? If I go on the logo information, so if I go on our index.html, the HackerSpace logo centered with 60 and 90, and then if we go on our tools, this is centered with 160 and 90, 160 and 90 in the navbar. So I guess it's just gonna be weird because it's, you know, web design, but it's fine. Okay, so now what we need to do is work on the USB Rubber Ducky page. All right, so now we have a solid font. Cool. USB Rubber Ducky. I think we just can have two images in the center. So let's go ahead, look at our assets. What did we do with the About Me page? Let's go on our About Me, because we have the image of Darren and John next to each other. I like how that worked. So let's copy this and then go here, and then what we can do is, my gosh, this is like pain. So USB Rubber Ducky, we have that slideshow container. Right now we're going to get rid of that. Slideshow is not being nice to us. So delete, and we need to have the rest of the body center. Yo, what's up, Euclid? How you doing? How you doing? Paste this in here, All right, now what we need to do is center everything. So we have the center tag, and then we need just to close the center. /center. All right, so yeah, now we can get rid of this. What language am I coding the website in? I am using HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. Just a little bit. So let's refresh this. All right, so these obviously aren't the pieces of the USB rubber ducky, but we can get there. Let me go HackerSpace. All right, so we don't need this anymore because that was for the About Me page. So once we start writing out information, I'm actually allowed to take stuff off of the Hack5 website, which is amazing. As long as I list the sources and such. CSS is only for design, right? Yeah, so CSS is just to make it look pretty. Otherwise, it would just look like a Google Doc. So with the CSS, it's like all in the center. We have the nice images, all the fancy looking stuff. If we didn't have CSS, it would just be like a white page with black text saying USB rubber ducky, had to wait get one and all that. So CSS kind of makes it look pretty. All right, so we need to say, let's replace the, oh yes, we shouldn't have these link to anything. So let's get rid of that. Because that's not what the intent of this is. All right, there you go. Bob's your uncle, right? Yeah, still perfect, cool. So now what we need to do is replace it with images of the USB rubber ducky. So we have one image of the USB rubber ducky. So I'll make that the first one, USB tag rubber ducky. And now our second one, do we have another rubber ducky picture? Ducky rocks. Let's try ducky rocks. Ducky rocks.png. Let's see how this looks. Or is it that JPG or something? JPG. You can hear my dog barking outside. Cool. Like images and stuff, or am I wrong? Nah, it's kind of like, I can show you. So like you'll notice in our HTML code, I'll have like the paragraph tag, right? It says P, so I can put text on the page. But in our CSS, I can take that paragraph tag and I can give it a specific color. I can add borders to it. I can change the width, the font size, the font family with the CSS. But in the HTML, the paragraph is just the text. So that's kind of like how it works. But you can add it to the headings. You can change aspects of the images, all this other stuff. USB rubber ducky rocks. I might change this image. I'm not sure, but I just need an image here. So, is there any other? Weren't you able to like scroll? Oh, okay. There, now I can scroll through it. Okay. Should I have another white image? Alright, I guess that's fine. Let's go ahead and just stick with this for now. And literally by the powers invested in copying and pasting. Imagine plugging this in. Alright, I'm just literally going to copy and paste. You're like, Chris, that's plagiarism. Actually, I'm allowed to do this. So, hop on my level. No, I'm playing. What else am I doing? Let's go ahead here into our paragraph tag. We actually probably need to format it first in here. So Control Shift V. There you go. Cool. Perfect. So that's the great first paragraph that we're going to have in here. Perfect. So now if I just run this, look at that. There you go. So it gives you information on the USB rubber ducky. Cool. What's next? How do I get one? All right, cool. So now we can just have it be like that default section where we can kind of just input stuff and then kind of just like have a basic statement saying, hey, the USB rubber ducky is $50 and you can purchase it here, blah, 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 blah. And then on the page for the Bash Bunny, we can just replace rubber ducky with Bash Bunny, the price with its proper price, and so on. Hopefully that should work well. And once I get a good format going on, I can just replicate this page for the rest of my documentation and such, and hopefully set up, and then example payload. Okay, this should be good. I think we're getting somewhere, guys. How do you bold text in HTML? Let me just duplicate this page here, and then I'm sure they have it, but let's do bold text HTML, just so we can have text stand out. Oh, it's a B tag, seriously? B tag? Okay, that's very straightforward. Okay. So how do I get one? So let's just say some basic information. So the what on earth? Oh, sorry. I don't know what. Hold up. I hit my Stream Deck by accident. So are you making a website? Yeah, I'm making a website for documentation on the Hack5 tools, right? So this is like the shop, but this page is going to be like what the USB rubber ducky is, how you can get one, how you set it up, and then a basic payload. And then this is the home page, and this is the About Me. About Me page is probably the best page on the entire website. I mean, it looks the best, it has the best formatting. Homepage, I need to beef it up a little bit more, just add some basic stuff. Yeah, it looks decent. It could be better, but it looks decent. So USB rubber ducky right now, it has this nice format in the center here. I would love to get this nav bar in the center, or just add more pages so it doesn't look as weird. Oh, can you do like a margin left? Hold up, I'm going to see if I can fix this real quick. Where's the nav bar? Margin 0. Can we do margin 0, margin left? Let's do like 200, and then oh, seriously? How do you do this, bro? Margin. Do I need to comment this out? Oh, so now it adds space to the top. All right. Dang. Y'all are just trying to be annoying. What? Why is that? How do you like shift the nav bar so it's not like, you know, spanning all over the page? Display. There's a block. Wait, that's like for the links and stuff. I mean the actual like position. Sticky, WebKit sticky. And then the background color, overflow, hidden. What the heck is overflow in CSS? I literally have no idea. Like, I just pretend like I know what I'm doing, you know? Alright, so, the USB rubber ducky is can be purchased. How you spell purchased? Purchased at hack5.org. And then we're going to have to make this a link, right? So we'll need to do like, and I'll have a little synopsis on the other gear that they have as well. This is like free marketing for Hack5, so you're welcome. USB rubber ducky can be purchased at hack5.org. So we can do the ahref is equal to https://hack5.org. Oh, let me just get the actual link for it instead of trying to like guess it or something. I don't know what I'm thinking here. Let's just paste that link right here. All right, and then close that off, and then target will need to be equals quotes underscore blank quotes and hack5.org. Close it, and then /a. Boom, just like that. So remove the link. I just need the plain text, because this will work as a link in our code. And then we would say, here you can purchase plenty of other cool pieces of gear. I don't know. Is that right? Pieces of gear? Pieces of gear. That doesn't sound right to me. I gotta be honest. The USB rubber ducky can be purchased at hack5.org. Here you can purchase plenty of other cool pieces, other cool types of penetration testing and cyber security related gear. This includes, but is not limited to, Hack5 let me think. Let me look at what they have. Was included, not limited to, Wi-Fi, hot plugs, implants. Okay. It's not included but not limited to Wi-Fi hacking devices, network implants, hot plugs. What else do they have? Remote access devices and hot plugs, remote access devices, and plenty of other cool merchandise. Speaking of merchandise, you can, or Cosmodium CS, or the Cosmodium CS cyber store, there you go. So the Cosmodium CS cyber store. What else is a great place to purchase cool merchandise under the R. Okay, I need to figure this out, but first we need to do the colon, the left caret A, and then href equals, and then we need to go to the Cosmodium CS website, Cosmodium CS Cyberstore, and then copy this link, and then go back to our Google Doc, and then paste that link in those double quotes. Cool. So then we need to do target equals colon or quotes, and then underscore blank. All right, and then we can close it, and then Cosmodium CS Cyberstore, and then close the tag. Is a great place to purchase cool merchandise. Cool hacking related merchandise. They offer. Oh yeah, okay, we need to get rid of this again. The USB rubber ducky can be purchased here. Here you can purchase plenty of other types of penetration testing and cybersecurity related gear. This includes but is not related to Wi-Fi hacking devices, network implants, hot plugs, remote access devices, and plenty of other cool merchandise. Speaking of merchandise, the Cosmodium Cyberstore is a great place, cool hacking related clothes and accessories. Be sure to check it out. Something simple. Be sure to check it out. Exclamation point. Cool. We can copy this and throw this into our USB rubber ducky section. So how do I get one? Well, we can just paste this, and boom, boom. All right. So do I need to close the paragraph tags before I just have them? Well, let's see. So if I refresh. All right, cool. So I don't like the color of links. So let's go ahead and change that in our CSS. What we need to do is do our website styling. Let's go make a new section. Let's do it right over here. And we'll say the anchor tag. And whoops. All right, and then we can just say color is equal to. Oh yeah, how do we customize the A? Color is white, and then background color, and the color is black. Oh, that's when you hover. Okay. What color do we want our links to be? I think they should be that same type of sky blue that we have going on. Yeah, this one right here. Control C, and then we can have our color be here, and then hashtag. So if we go ahead and run this hackfi.org, if I click that, so why does that not work? USB rubber ducky. So first of all, this should be hack5.org. HTTPS hackfi.org collections. Target blank. Can you not have anchor tags like laying inside of paragraph tags? Do I need to close it? So do I need to do a /p, and then at the end of this, can I open up a new paragraph tag, and then at the end we have our /p here. So if I go ahead and purchase at hackfi. Yeah, look, that's not right. HTTPS. So are you not able to embed like, see, look, F5, we have why is this not found? have anchor tags in paragraph tags. Nest anchor element. Okay, no, I want to, oh, this is a challenge. Paragraph here is a anchor tag. Oh, okay, so that's how you do it. That's what I was doing. Maybe it's just being weird. Not found. You know what? I'm not going to worry about this right now. USB rubber ducking can be purchased at this. Oh, I need to include the price. At hackfly.org for, what is it, $50 US? 50 USD. 50 USD. All right, cool. So now we have the first section of the USB rubber ducky page done. It shows the USB rubber ducky, and then it says, how do you get one? Cool. The next section is set up. So how do you set up the USB rubber ducky? And then I guess at the end we'll have the video tutorials. So set up. How do we set it up? So with the setup, I can actually just incorporate the video, can I not? So setup, yeah, the video tutorial. Yeah. So let's incorporate the video tutorial. How do I do this? Let's go onto my website's videos. And then let's go to my YouTube channel. Let's go to videos. So USB rubber ducky tutorial. Where's my video for that? There it is. So copy link address. All right, and then we're going to go. Can I first of all let me? Oh, I can't do that. I need to embed it. I need to embed it. All right, so let's go ahead, share, embed, and copy this. Oh yeah, I need to look at my other section on where I included a video in the about me. What were the dimensions of that video? 1000 by 600. Okay. 1000 by 600. So let's go on here. This was 1000. 1000. I even realized I was saying 1000 instead of 1000. 1000 by 600. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's the same thing. Yeah, there you go. So setup. Now it has the video on how we can set it up, and it's me in the video. So cool. So we are basically doing this. We got that done. We got this. Oh yeah. So the $50 US needs to be bolded. So let's quickly do that. For B, $50 US. Cool. So if we refresh this, so once I finish all this, I'll worry more about the styling and such, but right now it's actually looking pretty good. Oh, did I not close the tag? My bad, y'all. My bad. There you go. So for $50 US. Awesome. So now we have the paid video on the setup. All right, so now we need the example payload. Okay. How do we make the example payload section? Okay, what we can do is program or take a payload and then screenshot it. Or no, because people should be able to copy and paste it. Unless if we can make downloadable, can we have downloadable content? HTML download attribute. Is that possible? Is this out of my league? Download file. So ahref and then download. A download equals file name. So click on the image to download it. Oh. Oh. So I'll have an image of the payload, and then what we can do is download it, and then we can also link to the GitHub. Yeah. That's okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. So that's what we'll do. I wish I filled up my water before I started streaming. Okay. So this is a good idea. So we'll have. So we'll copy this. So example payload. The first thing we're going to need is an image of the payload. So let's go over here. Actually, what we can do, I think we can use Firefox, because we can take easier screenshots. Actually, no. I mean, I have the screenshot tool right there, so we'll be fine. Let me go onto my About Me. And what we're going to do is scroll down and click on the GitHub. All right, so that's something. So they don't open up in a new tab, which is interesting. If I go onto my About Me.html, href. All right, yeah, so I'm going to add target blanks to all these. Target equals underscore blank. All right, we're going to add all of these. So just add all of these class sections. Oh, whoops. Let me undo that. So let me add target here. Target here. Yeah, I was holding down control still, so I was adding that all to all those lines. Whoops. Cool. So what we can do is go back. So if I hit that GitHub, okay. Let's refresh the About Me page. And if I hit this, there you go. It opens it in a new tab, as it's supposed to. Cool. What we're going to need to do now is go to our USB, over Ducky. All right, About Me. Cool. And then our associations, and then both of the videos. Cool. Great. Let's go back to our USB Rubber Ducky page and keep working at it, I guess, right? So we have, how do you get one? Whoops. So the example payload, right? We need to go on to the Let's Learn series. All right, and awesome documentation right here. So I guess what we should do is actually open all of these in Cosmodium, right? So that way we have a centralized, unique color looking, like, I'm going to take screenshots of all of these, but if we have like a centralized look for all the colors and such, then we won't have to worry about anything else across platform. I guess let's see how it looks on GitHub first. So USB Rubber Ducky, payloads, and then the Hello World payload, and the payload.txt. Cool. So yeah, we could also make like a languages section where we teach like Ducky script and such. All right, cool. right, yeah, it's looking better, guys. It's looking better. I'm starting to become a little bit more happy with how it's looking. I can't lie, the stress was going down because this is due on Wednesday and it's Monday. So but now we're doing better. We're doing better. I guess you should keep going at it. So with the example payload, let's go ahead and open this up in Cosmodium, just so that way we have a central look for all of our like payloads and such. Don't save. Cool. Let me just do a new paste. And all right, so we need like a different theme because it needs to fit within the look of the website. Are you taking a CS class or something? I'm taking a web design class. It was an alternative. I was trying to do networking for this semester, or this previous semester, but this is the final project. And I remember you leaving a comment on the video. I can't remember which one though, so welcome back. Let me think. I need to think this out. All right. We have a way to download payloads, which is cool. So what we can do is basically write all these payloads to the website and then have people be able to download them. So I need to make a new folder. Let's add a folder. We'll call this payloads. All right, and this payloads needs to be, there you go. There you go. There you go. Cool, let's add a file. Yeah, I left 2 comments on 2 different videos. Oh, cool. I don't typically do web design on the channel. Most of it is cybersecurity related, but I need to finish this by Wednesday. So I'm like, I'm a stream, so I kind of force myself, because if I'm streaming, then I have to do it. You know what I mean? And I can't procrastinate. So payloads will do rubber ducky.txt, and then all right, cool. And then we need to make a bash bunny payload. Do I have a bash bunny payload I can just throw in here? Rubber ducky, bash bunny payloads, hello world. Perfect. Trust me, I know nothing about web design. Me neither, man. You see this W3 Schools tab over here? No, I'm fine. So let's add a new file. We can do bash bunny dot cool. So we have a basic hello world payload for bash bunny, and then for the rubber ducky. Cool. Not judging you. That's all cool. That's all cool. Oh my gosh, I am dying over here, y'all. Let me think on how I want to do this. Like, I need to figure this out. Because what we're doing now, right, is we have our rubber ducky page, right? So it's used to be rubber ducky, has some cool little pictures, gives you a description, tells you how to buy one if you want to buy one. I don't know why that link isn't working. We're just going to pretend like it is. And you got the setup, right? So it gives you a video tutorial on how to set it up. And I have the example payload here. So now in our example payload, we have our payload right here. And we should have people be able to download the payload. Should we have like an image of what the payload looks like? But I also want it to match. Well, if we take it on here, how far off Should I just open it up in like... should I just paste it in like a Google Doc and then just use that? You know what I mean? Like, let's, alright, so I might still need this so I can push that down. But if I paste the payload, what? Alright, let's copy the... Alright, let's try this again. There you go, cool. Can I just take a screenshot of this? Select area to grab. Alright, let's go ahead and there you go. So I'm going to say, call this, I'll just say rd hello world.png. Alright, and if we need to go under assets, and then we need to upload. Actually, let me get the other one first before so we can just upload both of them at the same time. So that was our rubber ducky. We need to get our bash bunny. So I'll copy all this and then paste this in here. And then let's take another screenshot. Select area to grab. I would link the GitHub page with the script. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. What I'm also going to have it be able to do is you can download the payloads, so that way they can download it. Bash bunny hello world. But I wanted them to also be able to see it, you know, like just on the website directly too. I don't know. This is this is so like proof of concept. Upload files. Let's go on our downloads, and let's get our bash bunny open, and then upload file, downloads, and then our rubber ducky open. So let's take this, put in here. Take this, put in here. Awesome, 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 awesome. Cool. What's next? What is next? So we have the payload, so that way people can download them. And then let's go back onto the USB rubber ducky page. Alright, so I'm going to delete this document.html. We don't need it, so we can just delete. Yes, delete document.html. We don't need it anymore. What was I doing? Oh, adding the images. Yeah. So they can click on the image to download the payload. Does that make sense? And then we can link it. So let's tell them that, so that way they don't just know it. All right. So above is just shown above, I guess. I don't know. Shown. English is my second language. This is terrible. No. Shown above is a payload. The payload above. Bro, how do I say like the image above? Shown. Above is a payload. I'll just keep going and I'll fix it later. Above is the payload for the USB rubber ducky. Above is a payload for the USB rubber ducky. I might make a page for ducky script. I just don't know if I'll have time by... Okay, well, if I can finish this page, I can literally just duplicate it and then make one for the pineapple and then the bash bunny. Once that's done, okay, I don't know. I'll figure this out. We'll figure it out, y'all. We'll figure it out. So this is the example payload, and then we'll have the image here. So let's have img, and then source is equal All right, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys because I know that's like really small. Huge. Excuse me. So we need to go into /assets and then /rd hello world dot png. If I got that first time or first try, I want $1 million right now. F5. Nope, that didn't even work. Is this even the right page? Yeah, it is. Image source. Okay, so I guess I didn't get it right. If we go into assets, rd hello world. Oh, hello word. All right, looks like I'm not getting that money. So, there you go. So that's not in the right section at all in any way, shape, or form. So let's Control X and have it go here. There you go. So this is the example payload. What do we think about how that looks? We need to make it bigger, obviously, but actually no, I mean, can we align text to the side? Like if I make this paragraph here, right? If I just do hello and then, oh, it's because of this section thing right here. Wait, is there any way we can just like have that text aligned to the right of the image? Oh, that sounds like a lot of work. I don't like how much work that sounds. That sounds like work. It's concerning me. So href. So if I change that image tag to this download type beat, let's see if this works. All right, so let's change this to, let's copy this and replace it with this. And then download, we're going to do /payloads /rubberducky.txt. All right, and then if I comment this out and if we go here. All right, you can't. Oh, do I need to wrap it around our image? Is that what I need to do? So just comment this, paste this, and then, oh no, this is the link. So then we need to paste that in there. And then, why is that being so weird? Control X, we need to go under and paste it here. There you go. And then we can have our /A. There you go. So if we run this, you'll see we have our thing. If we click on it, you can download. Let me save that and just see if I open that. Can I open the file? Yeah. So did I do something wrong here? Download. Why can't you download the text file? Is that not the name of the text file? Rubberducky.txt. Rubberducky.txt. What? 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 Does it need to be like /payloads rubberducky.txt payloads rubberducky.txt? That should be working. That there is no excuse. There's no excuse for why that is not working. H reference. Oh, wait. I'm probably doing it wrong. Yeah, you just put the name of the file and the file you're trying to download. Yeah, see, Let's that's why it's not working. So let's go ahead. See, I was just doing it wrong. Look at me. So we can call the download just like payload, right? So now if we refresh it, by the magic of clicking, you can download payload.txt. And then if you open payload, let's go, y'all. Let's go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. So click the image above. Click the image above to download the payload shown. This basic payload uses, it would be really cool if we could like display markdown on the page and like have it be interpreted so it looks like actual markdown. We could probably just like throw a lot of my markdown documentation on here. Click the image above to download the payload shown. This basic payload uses the Ducky script language to click the image above shown to shown the basic uses. This basic payload uses the Ducky script language to open up a notepad and type out hello world. For further instructions on how this payload works. Do I host this for you on Replit? Kind of, I think. I don't really know. If I'm being honest. I think you can, but it's just not going to have like a domain. But I am going to put the source code on my GitHub too, in case if anybody, for whatever godforsaken reason, wants my code. But I mean, yeah, I guess I can access it here, but I think I can set it to be public, and if I do, I'll leave that in like a pinned comment on the live stream. But yeah, if I can, I will. I swear, I always give like really long-winded answers to really simple questions. I do that all the time, so I'm so sorry. So what was, yeah, click the image above to download the payload shown. This basic payload uses the Ducky script language to open up a notepad and type out hello world. For further instructions on how this payload works, view the video above or visit our page on Ducky script. Now, if I do make a page on Ducky script, I will have that be linked. Otherwise, no. So let's go ahead and paste this in here. And that should mean we're done. Hello. There you go. And type out hello world. Further instructions on how this payload works, view the video above or visit our page on Ducky script. I would love to have this image on the left and have this on the right. Can you do that? HTML, image on left, text on right. That would be really, really sweet if I could get that in. Hopefully that would work. Oh, what? Look at that. Stack Overflow coming in clutch all the time, bro. I'm telling you. Div ID header, div ID content, footer, option 2. So content and then footer. You can use a table. I hate tables. For this, low-key might be like what we need to do, you know? Alright, we'll try it. I mean, there's no harm in trying. Cool. So let's go under the center tags. Oh, actually, no, it needs to be centered in the center of the page. So we'll have our table. We'll just try it. Table. Alright, if this works, then, you know. So just to get some idea of what this is going to look like. Hello. It's not even being shown on our page for real. Why is it not even showing up? Oh, it's the text? Why is it? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, the table is there. It's just can't use Stack Overflow to fix it. You can't use Stack Overflow to fix it. I am confused on what you mean. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing, yo. How do you just have an image on the left, text on the right? Align and float images. Oh, I did a project on this, didn't I? I did do a project on this. Where is that project? I have no idea. No idea. No idea. Did I do something like this, bro? I swear I did. Bro, I have no idea where that is, bro. It's not my schedule. Favorite TV show, fonts, box mod. That might be it. No, that looks moderately interesting. But what CSS header is that using? Groove and gold. Groove. All right, I'll consider that. I deleted one of the older messages and only one through, so the context was messed up. Oh, it's all cool. It's all cool. It's all cool. All right, let's try assignment 3. I think assignment 3 just has a really, you know, good name that is just really going to give me the idea. Look at that. Planet Cosmo. No, that's not it. Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Actually, I think that is what I meant to do. No, that's not what I meant to do. Let's go back. Can we go back? What was I doing this on? Oh, no, that is what I meant to do this whole time. This whole time. CSS drills. Yeah, that's that right here. First joint. The way I name my projects. Yes, this is what I was looking for. How it has it like on the side. So it has a quote class. All right, and then in our style, our quote float to the right. Oh, so you float to the right. Padding tech. Okay. So the border last is 1 pixel solid. Okay. So can we do this in our, can we make like a little class for our, yeah, this is what I was looking for this whole time. I was looking for that for like a past, like for a minute. So yeah, we can get rid of this table. All my homies hate tables. Let's get rid of that. All right, cool. So what we need to do is go to our style, and then in our, that's our index styling. This is the about me. So in here we need to do documentation. documentation, styling, cool. All right, and then we need to have our class. We'll call this payload is, there you go. So we need to have be dot payload, right? Because it's going to be a class. And then in here, we'll have our p class is equal to payload. There you go. Look at me being smart. Anyway, let's see if that works. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, so we just need to make it work better. What's going on? Why is that so weird though? What did I do in this other one? I just needed to like go straight to the other side, you know what I mean? Font weight, color, font family, padding. What's the padding again? Probably set the thickness of the padding area if it's omitted. Same as right, bottom is top. I honestly don't remember. I might just copy this line and see if it fixes it, you know? All right. Let's just paste that in here. See if that works. Shift tab, delete. Oh, that didn't do anything. Got you. All right. What we can do is a margin right. So margin right, and then we'll just give it like a solid, like, you know, 100 pixels. Did that not work? How did we align this to the... Oh my gosh, how did we do it here? What? I have to go, but I'll be back for the next stream. All right, appreciate it. Man, how do you do this? Class quote, and then there's text under. Should I just have like a header under and see if that will just throw it into the center? It might be the center tag that's throwing it off for real. Let's see if I cut out that center tag, and let's have it stop at like here. Let's just see what that does. Okay, so now they're both on opposite sides of the page. Great. This is exactly what I wanted. I don't know if you could tell, but that's exactly what I needed. What we need to do is, it's the center, and then, so the tags, what? I'm so lost, guys. I am utterly lost. Let me look at this. Yeah, that should, oh, do I need text under? Yeah. So if I have like, just like a random header, if I just do like header 1, all right, then we can do like a paragraph tag and see the GitHub link. Cool. /b. All right, so let's try this. The GitHub link. All right, maybe we need to move the center tag back down. Center. All right, and if we do this, come on. My gosh, why is this one piece of text, bro? Just go over here. Be like everybody else. What is going on here? This is anarchy. So style CSS should float to the right, but not all the way to the right. Can we have it float to like the width? Oh, is it the margin, right? Do I need to get rid of that? Nope. This needs to go like right here. I hate web design. I hate it with an utter passion. I hate it with a passion. Float. Let's get rid of the width. Let's just have it, you know, flow freely. Okay. That's something. Can we just like align it to the center? Text align, right? Text align center. I don't think this is gonna work if I'm being completely 100% honest with you guys. But you know what? We're just going to keep trying it until something works. Nope. Oh my gosh. I'm going to like jump. What? So we have this quote class, right? And that's for the quote. And it comes after. So the quote comes at the top. Oh, so do we need to put the quote at the top? So let's take our class payload and let's put it right under the header. Oh my gosh. And then we have our image. Is there anything else from the CSS that I forgot to incorporate? Oh, the other width. Do we need to change the width on the other one? I don't think it really matters for real. I don't like what's going on here, guys. This is annoying. I'm mad. I am furious. I am enraged. But I need to figure this out. Otherwise, we'll just not do it. You know what I mean? But like, what we can do is have this in the center, and then do what we did with the margin on the other thing, and then. Okay, that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. This is too much work. It's taking too much time. So what we're going to do. Forget it. Maybe in another life, guys. In another life. Alright. Salute. Rip. Now, get rid of this. Cool. So what we need to do now is copy what we did in the slideshow. So where's the slideshow? And then what we did is we took the image and we had the image max width 1000 pixels. All right. And then the background color is white. So what we need to do is have the image be centered, and then all right, let's make a. Why is my dog barking? What we need to do is go to our documentation page, and what's actually, no, we'll keep that payload class. You know what? We're bringing it back, but we're just doing it different. Payload. Cool. So now we have our payload, and what we need to do is go back here and put that. All right. So yeah, we're taking this, we're bringing it back under here. And what we need to do is add a class equal payload. Cool. So now when we go here, we have our payload class. Cool. And in here, what we're going to do is max width equal 1000 pixels. All right, and our image should be aligned in the center. So if we run this, oh, we need to have our background color. Background color. Background color is hashtag FFF. And if we go here, come on. No, that's not how it's working. How do we do that? Isn't it like margin? I need to look at the box model again for real. But style.css. That's the number text, that's the captions. When we have the background color, border max width, oh, margin is auto. All right, this is what we're doing right here. Just copy and paste them, right? Cool. We can just cut this out, and tab that over. All right. If the world is nice to me, it's not nice to me, unfortunately. Maybe. Do we need to set the margin to 1000? Oh, let's just set the width. Instead of max width, let's just set the width. Let's see if we can example payload. You can still download it, which is good. All right, cool. All right, then I have to add in our tools, because once we finish this, we're done with the USB rubber ducky page, and then we can kind of just copy and paste everything else to the other pages. So what we need to do is get rid of this. So click the image above to download the payload shown. This basic payload uses open up Notepad and type out hello world. For further instructions on how this payload works, view the video above, our GitHub page, or visit our page on DuckyScript. Cool. And that's it, guys. We're done with the USB rubber ducky page. So if I refresh this, we can go home. So if we go to our USB rubber ducky, it takes us to the USB rubber ducky page. I'm probably going to change this image because it needs to be more of our form factor. And I think we should add the socials to all the pages, you know what I mean? Let's go to our About Me. And we'll just add this here. So let's go to our USB rubber ducky. So if we refresh this, we have our USB rubber ducky. Why why can't you work like everybody else? Why do you have to be so annoying? Oh, do I need to import the style sheet or something? Where's the style sheet? I swear, you have to import the style sheet, right? Control F, style sheet. Bro, what? Bro. So does it still work on the About Me page? Like, yeah, look at that. What on earth is going on, guys? I think we have a lawsuit in order, if you ask me. Let's go to the About Me page. Oh, style sheet, it's right here. What? Okay, you know what? F in the chat. All right, I'm so sorry. Let's get over here and just paste that. So now if we go to the rubber ducky page, it should be, yeah. All right, there you go. Cool. My gosh. So, the last thing I want to do is change this image to make it white. So let's choose a white image from the USB rubber ducky page. What's a good one? We could go for like this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. Save image as USB. We can do ducky book.png. All right, cool. And then put it in here. And then last thing we need to do is change that image, and we're finally going to be done with this one page. All right, so ducky book.jpg, and if we refresh this, bro, or is it .png or something? Please tell me we're done. Oh my gosh, why does it have a non-white background? Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna, this is gonna piss me off. Oh my gosh, I need a white background one. Does this one have a white background? Save image as. No. Oh my gosh, that pissed me off. All right, come on. This one might be good. Yeah, please tell me, please tell me. Can I just save image as? All right, red, we'll call it red duck. Red duck. That, no, we're doing that JPG. Forget you. We're changing things up. Oh, we need to make it PNG then. Okay. Downloads. That JPG. Seriously? It's a freaking PNG. Oh my gosh. Is this too hard to ask for a rubber ducky picture? Where did you get that one? Let's just, all right, let's just try USB rubber ducky images. I need just one with a white, no, just a different picture with a white background that's moderately square. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a freaking PNG. I don't even think I have a photo editor on here for real, so I can't just like drop in a white background. All right, what are we doing, guys? What are we doing? We need to figure out how we can. How long have I been streaming? 2 hours? Bruh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why you guys even watch my content for real. Another PNG. Oh, wait. What? What? Why is that a PNG? Why? Can we change like the margins and stuff so that way we can have what we had going on the homepage? Like, this is a square image, you know, but it has the white background. How did I do that? Oh my gosh. Let's look at the slideshow. What we had is max width is 1000, position is relative, margin auto. Can we literally just copy this and with our payload image, could we're going to comment this out, all right, and paste this in. So what we can do now is check to see if we go on a rubber ducky. Okay, yeah, so it's like this again, right? It's not the size of whatever. So instead of margin, can we have our margin be 1000? What does that do? I don't even know what margin does for real. Like, all right, you know what? Delete and uncomment this out. What? Cool. What do we do now, guys? Like, oh wait, we're changing the thingy. Yeah, we're changing the image. All right, is there another like decent, relatively square image of the USB rubber ducky with a white background? Is this a PNG too? I'll give it a second. No? Alright, save it image as. Thank you. Thank you for not being a PNG. Alright. What we can call it is just rubber. rubber RD. Save image as. Alright, let's add a rubber RD into here. Our tools page. And then instead of ducky book, rubber RD dot JPEG. Perfect. Look at that. We're done. We're done with the rubber ducky page. 2 more pages and we can just copy and paste this one and format it to fit all the other pages. Why is this video so out of... There you go. Oh, look at that, guys. Ah, finally. All right. Let's go ahead and copy and paste. All right, so we can just Control W on this, and we can worry about all the other styling stuff later, but Control A, copy, and then let's go work on the bash bunny now. So paste, right? So start from the top and we'll just make our way down. So instead of rubber ducky, it's going to be bash bunny HackerSpace. Let's keep going down. Assets HackerSpace. So the new active window is now actually going to be this bash bunny page right here. All right, and then device name is now the bash bunny hack 5. So the images, alright, yeah, so do I have a bash bunny image in here? Bash bunny JPG. So let's do bash tac bunny JPG, and then we'll need a second image of the bash bunny. Do we have a second image of the bash bunny? I don't think we do. Alright, so let's go ahead and search up bash bunny. The Hack 5 website also might have some good ones. If we go on images, let's see if we can find products, bash bunny, and yeah, so this, no, okay, it's just the same images over and over again. Okay, y'all need some more images of your tools. This is a different orientation of it. Save image as. All right, we can have BB vertical. I'll see if I can find any better pictures, but just in case, BB tag vertical. That's good. Oh, this is another good one right here. It shows the other side. So bash bunny, and then yes, yeah, so we can have that one, and then we can have this other one right here. Hack 5, yeah. Save image, and we'll call this one BB side JPG. Cool. So let's go ahead over here and let's add our BB side into here, and then we can change this to BB text side that JPG. And if we run this, there you go. Oh, life is starting to get a little bit better. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Cool. What's next, guys? What's next? How long has this stream been? I've been streaming for 2 hours and 23 minutes. Oh my gosh. That's like a whole movie, yo. So yeah, let's go over here. Going with multi-vector. Yeah, I've been watching for 1 hour. I'm so sorry that you've been watching for 1 hour. That is awful. Imagine watching this content. Now with faster performance, blah blah blah. The Bash Bunny sometimes mimics other blah blah blah. Let's use attack platform. Alright, so we'll have this, and we'll Control Shift V, and then we'll take this, and then have it in here. Control Shift V, space. Alright, so this will be our text section at the top. Yeah, 1 hour of not knowing what you're talking about. Hey, bro, this is HTML. I don't even know what I'm talking about for real. What are we doing? This section right here gets replaced. Cool. So how do you get one? All right, so now what we need to do is this the how do icon, the USB rubber ducky? All right, so now what we need to do is the Bash Bunny can be purchased at. So now we just replace this link with this link. So now what we need to do is replace this right here and then paste that in there. Cool. So the blank fire here, you can find. Oh yeah, isn't it for how expensive is the Bash Bunny? It's $120. Oh wow. For $120 USD, and then we had to do /B, and then B. There you go. You can purchase plenty of blah 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 and all this other stuff. Cool. So let's copy this, and we're just going to delete this paragraph tag right here and paste this. Cool. So set up, now we need to get the tutorial. So let's go ahead on to my YouTube channel. And what tutorial is this for? Bash Bunny? Where's the Bash Bunny tutorial? So we can share, embed, and then copy. Isn't it at 1000 and then 600, right? Yeah. When do Matthew teddy bears restock? Whenever our manufacturers get some more teddy bears. I'm just playing. I have no idea. I'd say give it like a week, maybe less, like 4 days. 10 and then 600. So 1000. Whoops. 600. Cool. So far, we have the new images, simultaneous, blah, 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 Bash Bunny, and then the picture for, or the, not the picture, the video. Awesome. Then we need our example payloads. Let's go over here. Example payload, so it'll be payloads, and instead of rubber ducky, it's going to be bash bunny.txt. Download will still be called payload, and then image, and then click the image down below. The payload uses the bunny script language to open up a notepad and type out an order for further blah blah blah. Check out this or our page on bunny script. What's next? All right, our style sheet, and then this. Is that it? Are we done? Oh wait, I need to change the link to the payload. So payloads, and then separate our RD. We need to do BB, and then was that it? So now on the Bash Bunny page, it takes you to the Bash Bunny, gives you two images. And then how do I get one for 120 US dollars? Setup is this video, example payload. And then gives you all that information on how it works. And then it says click the image above to download the payload shown. This basically payload uses Blending script, blah blah blah, and type out hello world. For further instructions on this payload works, view the video above or our GitHub page or visit our. There you go. All right, so now we can start on the Wi-Fi pineapple. Oh my gosh, let's go, guys. We're getting progress done. I'm very happy with our progress so far. So let's just copy everything from our rubber ducky page, paste it into our Wi-Fi pineapple page. The Wi-Fi pineapple doesn't actually have any like, oh my gosh, I forgot English. I forgot what I was trying to say. I'm so sorry. All right. Well, anyways, let's go up to the top and we'll just kind of restart and keep going. So with the title, we have Wi-Fi pineapple and this is at HackerSpace. What we need to do is scroll down. That's supposed to be fine. That's fine. All we need to do is change the active class. So we need to change this. And we'll change that to our active class right here. Then our device name is the Wi-Fi pineapple. Cool. Hey, what else is here? What else is here? What else is here? What else is here? Oh yeah, so now we need the images. What was I saying? Cool. So, what was I about to do? Oh, images. Yeah. So let's go on to Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7, and let's get some good images. This one, obviously. So I think I already have this image here, actually. So we can do, instead of USB over Ducky, there should be a Wi-Fi pineapple.jpg assets. Wi-Fi pineapple. Is that right? Wi-Fi type pineapple JPG. All right, cool. I need another image for the Wi-Fi pineapple. So let's see if they have any good square ones. Oh, I might use that one for real. That one also looks kind of sweet. I think this one's kind of sweet, so we'll go with this one. Save image as. All right, we'll just do pineapple tac mod.jpg. Go in HackerSpace and add our pineapple mod here, and then in here we can do pineapple tac mod.jpg, and if we refresh, we have both of those images there. Awesome. Cool. So let's keep going. All right, what's next? Nav bar, pineapple, blah blah blah. All right, so yeah, the description. So we can just go on page, industry and platforms equipped. New Wi-Fi pineapple Mark 7 performance, web interface. All right, so we'll take this section right here, and basically just Control Shift V, And then what we can do is copy this, and then Control-Shift-V, copy this, and then paste that in here. Cool. So now how do you get one? So we need to modify this section right here. So the Wi-Fi pineapple, the Wi-Fi pineapple can be purchased at this link. So we need to go here, copy this link, and then change the target link to that. Hackfi.org. How expensive is this? $100. So the Bash Bunny costs more than the pineapple. I actually didn't know that. So for, wait, how much was it again? $100? Yeah, $100. So for $100 USD, and then blah blah blah. Yeah, cool. So now we can copy this, go to our code, and then drop that in here. Awesome, 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 awesome. I might use like an HTML beautifier and just throw all my code in there, just so that we can make our code look good again. Cool. So let's refresh this so far. New information, new information. Setup. All right. So now we need to use our Wi-Fi pineapple tutorial. So let's go over here. Let's go back to the YouTube channel. And where is our Wi-Fi pineapple video? Right here. All right. So we can share. Let's pause this and embed it. Cool. So now we can copy all this. Copy. And where is the place to embed all this? How do you get the pineapple? Perfect. So 1000 and 600. All right. So we can paste this, change this to 1000, and then change this to 600. And let's go ahead and refresh, and we should have the Wi-Fi pineapple video. Perfect. What's next? Example payload. So the Wi-Fi pineapple, we don't really have payloads. So yeah, I guess we don't really need to worry about that. What I do need to think about doing is how can we replace that section, right? Because if we don't have a payload, I guess we can just delete it, you know? But I feel like we need a section there about the pineapple. What is... I don't even know. Hey, look, it's my video. Oh, sweet. What was I talking about? Cool. All right. Well, I guess if we don't have a section for the payload, we can just get rid of it and kind of just take that off. We could have like a bulleted list about features, right? Alright, so that should be good when it comes to the website. So we're basically done with the website. Like I could turn this in now and get like a decent grade. What we need to do now is that we need to start incorporating, I guess, more features. I also don't want this stream to be too long, but I also don't completely care, because if you guys want to watch it, you can. All right, so I guess we have like a finished product, you know, like we have the website, the minimum requirement of 5 pages, and on each of those pages, actually, let me go ahead and get the icon library on our index. Cool. What I'm going to do is thinking that we should make pages for the scripting languages. I'm gonna be honest, I have poor time management. Dude, me too. Bro, I have had since November 30th to work on this. Let me, bro, I have had since November 30th. Where's the freaking readme? Look, 11/30/2021. I have only worked on it like 3 times since then. And it is due on Wednesday. It's the 17th and it's due Wednesday. I have like 2 days, 2.5 days to finish this, bro. And I guess I did finish it, which is good. But I need to add more content because I don't want it just to be like something simple. Because I feel like it wouldn't be as good as some of the other people's. Cool. So let's go ahead and that's funny. Wi-Fi pineapple. The about me page. Cool. So let's add some more pages, right? Let me go on to like the let's learn over Ducky and Ducky syntax. Yeah, Ducky syntax. Like, could I just take all of this and make this like like a web page? You know, just like basic syntax. Is that even possible? What I'm wondering is, can we like interpret Markdown in HTML? Convert Markdown to HTML? Wait. What? Hold up. Is that online? Is there like an online version? Hold up. Markdown to HTML converter. That free Markdown to HTML converter. What? Bro. Hold up. Raw. Let me get the raw. Bro. What? Bro, where have you been all my life? USB over Ducky syntax is to be noted. Raw HTML. Most interpreters do exactly this. Bro, I had no idea. Control A. Dude, where have you been my entire life? This is amazing. You know how many pages I can make now on my project? Bro. Because I have so much Markdown documentation. Alright, Ducky script.html. Bro, so let me like... So if I go on Ducky script.html, is it going to be... Huh? Sir? Oh, is it? It's in my tools? Oh, okay, so I need to do /tools. Tools. Interesting. Interesting. So why is it not being formatted though? Oh, it's because I don't have the script in here. Yes, your Ducky syntax. Oh, is there like a CSS element about it too? Done some. I don't know what you mean. Interesting. Can I just like beautify this with the HTML I have on my website? Can I go on to this right here, copy, and then script. So /head this, and then /head. Oh. Hold up. We might be getting close, guys. Hold up. Let me go on like let me just copy all this. I never knew this was a thing. So what's with all the IDs for the CSS? I'm assuming. Does it come with a CSS file, or is it just like, is there like a styling thing in here already? Say a custom CSS. Oh, I can throw my own CSS code in there too. That is so interesting. Where has this been my entire life? This will lock your screen. Oh yeah, so what is this? Why is this not being shown? I can probably fix it. Oh, it's a list. Oh, LI, right? So let's do documentation styling, and we'll do an LI. And if we just do a color white, just so that way we can see it. Oh, actually color hashtag FFF. There you go. Bro. What? Hold up, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm literally just taking. Dude, this is amazing, bro. So you can basically just take all your HTML. I need to throw it into an HTML beautifier though. Wow. I feel woke right now. Let me go on my fonts, because we need to use the robot mono font, and then paste this in here. Actually, let me just take the paragraph tag, and then let's just have a comment. Yeah, so instead of just doing this, what we're going to do is go to our documentation styling, LI, great, delete. We're going to do our P, and then we're going to take our paragraph tag, and then comma LI. And now if we go ahead and run this, all right. Oh, so okay. I see. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a duplicate of this. Control C, and then instead of this, we'll do LI. Is there a class that's specific to all these, or IDs or whatever? DuckyScript.html. Yeah, so LI block quote. Wow. What? So we can get rid of this for real. ID USB or Ducky. ID is to be noted. Oh my gosh, hold up. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry about that, y'all. I am back in action, back in black. We are streaming for close to 3 hours now. And you're like, Chris, or you're like Cosmo, Chris, you can call me whatever. But you're probably streaming for a long time. Yeah. I used to do like 12-hour live streams on the channel and like 6-hour live streams and like the 50-hour programming challenge, all this other stuff. You'll have to scroll down for those if you look at my channel. But yeah, so I probably will stop relatively soon. I'll probably go for another half hour. But yeah, let's get back to it. Everybody okay over there? Yeah, no, I had a bloody nose. I have scar tissue, so it bleeds sometimes, but we're cool now. So let's get back to it, right? Let me actually... Alright, so what we need to do is create our body tag. Body. And in our body tag, we need to basically just copy everything at the top right here. So yeah, this whole, everything up to here is what we need to copy. So in our Ducky script, we paste this, and then center, we can just stop our, we can close our body, or close our center, then close our body. Oh yeah, don't we have to do like an HTML and stuff? So slash HTML. Did we even do that in the beginning for real? No, we didn't. So this does not follow. Ooh, that's not what I meant to do. What was I doing? I'm so lost. Oh yeah, so I don't have like, the only place I actually have the .type HTML is here. Am I supposed to have that on like all my pages? I think I am. So Control-C, .type HTML. Let's add that to the index, and then we'll go to Ducky script, and then go down, place that in here. Cool. And then center, source, HackerSpace. All right, cool. So that's better. So now we have our body tag and the center tag, and then at the end of the center tag, all we need to do is add the icon library. For standard sake, yes, but most browsers aren't that picky. Oh, okay. See, I never knew that. I think you seem to know a lot more about web design than I do. So I'm just here, you know, doing homework basically. So we can call this Ducky script. Doc type is not the same as HTML, so if I add that after the doc type. I forgot the actual one. I have the opening, I have the closing one at the end here. If I forgot to open it, thank you. So let me, whoops. I'm going to throw all of this through an HTML beautifier, so I promise. What on earth? Oh, it's the list. It's the list element. Oh, it's gonna mess with the nav bar. Oh, wait. Don't our list elements have? Yeah, it's messing with our. I need to. There was a way around this that I had. Let me find our nav bar in here. So let's take a pause on that list, because our nav bar list style tag. Yeah, so if I go on like the about me page, and then our class for all of these are nav list. So if I go onto the style CSS, our nav list flip to the left. Yeah. So we need to make sure that when we look at the about me.html, for example, so nav list and nav bar, I need to, it pays the bills. No, I got you, man. I got you. Yeah, like there's a way. I had a thingy that showed me how to do this. Let me go. I think this was W3 walkthrough. Let me run it. News. That's it. No, this was not it. I had a way to teach myself in case if I forgot how to okay, that's fine. How to have these list nav bar things properly. Indexes. I think this is it. Run. Yeah, there you go. So I can still have lists. And how did I do this? How did I do this? So we have the nav bar, the nav list. Oh, so it's in the CSS, isn't it? Nav list float. How did I do this? It's in the code somewhere, I promise you. So unordered items list. Yeah, this is exactly what we have, right? And we should still be able to list without worry. So our nav list class, I think our nav list does something. Nav list A. Yeah, I think there's a difference between. All right, what we're gonna do is go ahead and just copy. We don't have to worry about the nav bar. We need to worry about the nav list. So let's copy all these, and we'll just compare and contrast, right? Let's go down to this nav list section and paste this here. Oh, wait. Let me make a, let's say, imported list so I don't get confused. Whoops. There you go. So if we look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this like the same thing? Block, just a different color. Center, 14, none. What? So how am I able to use lists, huh? What? Bruh. Is it in the nav bar difference? List style type is none. Is that, nav bar list style type is none. Oh, so in a separate list, you are still going? No, I've been going for 3 hours and 4 minutes and 25 seconds now, doing nothing, Mate. Yeah, I'm still going. I don't know if you remember, I used to do like 12-hour programming challenges and stuff, so this isn't like, and I'm sure most people in the industry will probably code for 3 hours straight, you know. I don't think it's that all. You know. Do you want to see it so far? I don't know how long you've been watching. So apparently this does nothing. Beast mode. That's what I'm talking about. So let me refresh this. This is so annoying. Because then if I go on like my bash bunny, yeah, it like ruined my freaking nav bar. This list section. Unless if we make it a numbered list. You should check out that tool I posted in general. When I stream and record, like Discord goes like ghost mode. So let me. Oh, you talking about the video? I'll look at that video eventually. Alright, yeah, I'll check out the video once I finish streaming. Cool. Alright, but yeah, let me show you the progress so far. Let me get rid of the thing that's completely breaking my website real quick. Let's just comment this whole thing out. Cool. So if I go home, there you go. Yeah, so this is the website so far. Then it's got the nice bar. We have the fonts in here finally, HackerSpace. So brief introduction, what it is, our selection of tools right now. And then our partner. I need to fix this, but just ignore it. Then there's just hyperlinks basically. And then we can go on our rubber ducky page and information on the rubber ducky, how you can get one. And then video on how to set it up, example payload. Then you can actually click on the picture to download the payload. And then socials. Then we have Bash Bunny, same thing, example payload. You can click on it to download it, and more information. And then we have the Wi-Fi pineapple, and then same thing pretty much. I just need to fix some of the last final features there, but yeah. What I might do is actually just get rid of the social bar on the home page for now. Delete. And then Bash Bunny, we'll just keep it on the About Me page to keep it more professional and not having to worry about other stuff that can make our website look weird. Delete. And then USB rubber ducky. Delete. And then finally Wi-Fi pineapple. Delete. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely check out the Discord link. We have a really cool server, I can't even lie. Not like I would lie, but so yeah, let's finish this ducky script. I literally just took my markdown and then turned it into HTML. That's funny as heck. So for the list elements, we need to create like the class of nav list. How do we like separate? So list style type is none. Oh. I think I know what we're supposed to do. Let's uncomment this. And then list style type, instead of it being equal to none, or the other list style types, it's like bulleted or something. I don't know. Let me just search this up. List style types HTML. Circle. Alright, that's what I'm looking for. Circle. So now if I run this, nope. No. Why is that? Why? If I go on to nav list and then do none and try this. Oh, is it because of like all the features and stuff? Let me copy this and just change everything. Where is our nav list? Alright, so let me just put everything one space down so I know what I imported. Whoops. Alright, cool. So what is next? What is next? We just need to make sure. So, oh, I guess the features of because if we scroll down, right, if we go to the ducky script, yeah, all right, let's go ahead, just delete this. We'll figure something else out, and then we'll go to our nav list. Cool. All right, so let's refresh. So all we need to do is figure this out now. This is like difficult, to be honest. Unless if I replace it, right? If we do like replace all the ULs with number lists. Oh wait, can we take all the number lists and then change the style of them? Like if we go into ducky script, right, and then Control H, replace all the ULs with numbered lists instead. So ignore the nav bar. But yeah, and then just alright, let's try this. And then if we refresh it, oh my god. This is hard, yo. This is hard. We have custom CSS. Like the lists are really messing with like the formatting of everything, and I don't know how much further I want to go. So let's go ahead and I think I need to just like because I'm technically done right now. I'm just adding ducky script page, bunny script page, or any other pages that would be cool to have on the website. But the actual like website is pretty much done now, which is good. Which means if I can't finish anything, I can kind of just turn it in, like home. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. I think this is kind of a good stopping point. And yeah, I appreciate you guys sitting here with me for 3 hours while I struggle to, you know, make this website and stuff. Make sure to leave a like. Check out the Discord channel that Matsi has left in the group or in the live chat. I will see you guys later. If I don't know if I'm going to keep streaming this progress. I might just stop streaming this progress and keep going on to this. Oh, the live rat. We're going to get back on that probably sometime later this week, sometime like Wednesday maybe. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that stream and cool videos and stuff. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy. Oh, whoa, that's the first time I almost messed it up on stream. But you know what? We're just going to end like this, because at this point, it's already over. So, appreciate it. Love y'all.